And then we have the boundary set from this wall to here.
Okay.
Is that fine?
That's fine with me. That's good. That's good.
Alright, let's go ahead and go back to spawn and go over the rules real quick.
Alright.
Alright, before we continue, first MRB, go ahead and salute.
.34th return salute. Alright, so let's go over the weapons.
Yeah.
So it's 2 autos, 1 sniper, 1 rocket, correct?
Yeah, we have set as 1 assault, 1 support, 1 sniper, and 1 rocket. That's what we have in our war department.
Yeah. That should be fine. With it's 2 or 2. Doesn't matter. You can either have 2 supports or 2 lights. It doesn't matter.
Okay,
But
that's
you can
fine
only
for
have
us.
2 autos. That's it.
Yeah, 2 autos in total. Yeah.
Yep. So is there any kind of weapon pickup restriction?
We have, as far as when you and Marston talked about it, I took over from him because he had to go away for a job. So what I have is no nade priming, no prop boosting, full barricades, all pickups, no skyboxing, and realistic positions only. 7% of your body must cover the object.
Right.
That's what I have.
That's good. Yeah. The only thing I was concerned about the weapon pickup, so it's all weapon pickup.
Yeah, all weapon pickups. Yeah.
All right. So we're good.
All right. Are you gonna get your last man in here? You want to give him a few more minutes?
We'll just go ahead and switch over, and if he shows up, he shows up. Yeah, he's waiting on his PC, and he's having some issues or some shit.
All right. So I'm going to initialize it now then.
All right. 34th, go ahead and hop over to the access side.
Pick your weapons, guys. Yeah, I meant to start small. I already just initialized it.
Worried.
Yeah. No, I already had it done.
What's your game plan here, sir? Where we going?
Okay, so like I said before, when Small was not here, he was taking a poo, I think. We're gonna work together. Since we did not have a lot of time for anyone to do anything, we're just gonna work as a team. So if, for instance, Crafton has a perfect idea for attack, I want to hear it. If Small has one, I want to hear it. We're just gonna do it together, because we don't really have time to do much about it. So let's see. The boundary is there. I definitely a sniper team, so that's okay. You guys will be working front. The rest of us will be spaced out in the back, watching out for nades. And we'll take it from there. Because there's when Main Street is clear, we basically want a squad to clear out their big field area where Snark was supposed to chuck that nade over the wall. I want a team to go in there and clear it out while we have Main Street locked down so they don't flank us. But we'll take it from there. And let's hope they don't get another player. We need to win this, guys. And by the way, if you disconnect, you have to rejoin. The password is welcome34, all lowercase.
Pick the cheesiest password.
What's wrong? What's wrong about it?
This is cheesy.
Smalls just being an ass.
Yeah, he is.
Remember, no nade priming.
Yeah, remember that, guys. No nade priming, and you can pick up no weapons.
In 250 ping.
British armor.
It's got a minute to join up now.
One more minute.
Okay, he joined up.
Quick.
And hurry up.
Yes,
Yeah, the Private Atlas one who used to be in our unit, as far as I remember.
Is that Ryan?
Yeah, it is. And I think he joined the unit today or yesterday, because last time I saw him he was his normal tags. So he's brand new.
You know what they're like?
Harry.
Join today, quote unquote.
Yeah. Alright guys, next
Join today,
facing.
become Master Sergeant tomorrow.
Alright guys, we're ready to go nade spacing, and small and person will go front. Stay back here. If they, I don't know if they can nade it.
Remember to watch that archery. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, everyone stay back, unless you're a sniper team.
Where do you want to go?
I want to pick the black gun.
Got a nade through. Nade person.
Come from main screen. Left.
What was that? Broken house. Oh, he's behind the half track. He's behind the half.
Yeah, so on.
We're gonna try and bounce a nade around.
Permission to move up to white buildings.
There's one
No,
behind half track.
stay back, guys.
One took a shot on me. One
I
in
don't
broken
want
house as
any
well.
unnecessary moving.
Maybe in windows are broken up. There's one in the windows. You saw one run across. It's ground floor.
God damn, the sniper's down. Small, will you be able to pick that up?
Yeah, I got. Move up. He's in double windows. Can you get a rocket in there, Wills?
Yeah.
They've got an auto in there as well.
Alright.
I have one behind the can as well. Fucking thing. Straight to the
Wanna
left.
move up?
That's it. I'm in the doorway.
So, why did you move up, person, when I said you guys are not supposed to move up?
Get fucked. Wipe it down.
Alright guys, move up to our courtyard. We're by our second flag.
99 and 1, what the fuck?
Sniper down.
Yeah. Okay, so we need someone to clear out that double window area. Ucar, you know what I mean?
You know, from the White House?
Yeah, from the White House, yeah. We need to clear that out.
Okay.
Try and do
Be
that.
careful.
Good, good. Crafton, I want you on the main street, trying to locate them.
Crafton, right after you hit the wall, there is this little pot thingy. There's one behind it. On your left side.
I think somebody's in my spot.
Yeah, someone
He's
is
on
in
the
your
main
spot.
street, guys. He's on the main street. He hit me.
Crotch, they have the rockets on the other side. Broken wall, broken wall.
Alright.
Should I push to the double window area?
Yeah. He's back in that corner. Good shot. Good shot.
There's still one on the street. He was on the left side near the flower pots and stuff.
Okay.
I'm gonna clear the upstairs area.
Can't do that.
Broken window should have a broken wall. Should have a rocket. I hit him, but he's not dead.
C person,
Clear.
go
It's clear.
ahead and, no, wait. We still got Main Street.
He's got eyes
Alright,
on
I'm
the
gonna
doorway.
stay here.
He's hugging the left
The
side.
doorway?
Yeah, my doorway
See
right
person,
here.
take my spot. See person, go up and take my spot. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna take Main Street.
Yeah, any suggestions is
Where is
appreciated.
he? Where is he?
He is, I'm looking, he's on the left side of the street I'm looking at right now, and, he's got eyes on me. Yeah. Awesome.
He's dead.
Alright guys,
Pushing up, pushing up.
let's take it nice and slowly. There's only 3 left.
There's one in this house. I know it. There's a rocketeer in there.
Ucar, stay, lock this
He's
down so they
tagged.
don't flank us. We
Got
need
it.
to clear out this house over here. Person, try and peek the street for me.
2 seconds. Window down there, down street. Thought I saw one.
Okay, Snark, go ahead and cross over into the building right ahead and see if you can clear it out.
Wait until I start shooting on Main Street.
Yeah, wait. Now! Snark, go. Watch out, there's one in there.
Yeah, be careful, Main Street. Nades, rockets, something.
Alright. We need to clear out that building. I hit him.
More ammo. Come back. Cool.
Alright. Person, stay there. We're gonna clear out, we're gonna clear out the field. Do not move in there. Me and Ucar are gonna clear out the field.
Person, move up with him.
Yeah, C person, go ahead and move up. Actually, C person, I want you in front here. Let's go back a little bit, Ucar. C person, I want you to move slowly up here with us and clearing it out. We still got 10 minutes.
Watch out for the windows.
Anyone with nades can just nade the shit out of you.
Yeah, we're gonna clear everything out except that house because I think they're all in there.
If I go down, if they rush me, be careful, we can take it from behind.
Alright, field area is clear. Let's clear out their house in a second. C person, I want you in front. Go out to the main street.
Be careful so they don't peek you from the broken house, broken roof, and wall.
No, not that way, C person. Oh, you're just taking cover. Go ahead and move up towards the first and clear out that building up. And not clear out the building, but clear out the street. And then I want Ucar clearing out the building. Okay, let's go, guys.
Be careful for the doorway.
Some barricades.
Okay.
Quite a few, actually.
And there's one at least in here and there's two in this house. See if you can nade it, fucker.
I just have
Still got 10 minutes, guys.
I just got a smoke.
Let me try and fire a rocket up there. Got them. A person is down. Yeah, we need to clear out that room.
Which
Can you guys
house?
get up there? This house in front of you. There's one up there, right?
Oh yeah. Nice. This is a tough one. You got another nade in there? I'm thinking you throw it like right here, low, and hopefully it moves the barricades. We just rush up there and then go from there.
Let's try again.
You want to see what
Sorry,
tilted looks
Sean.
like? Looks like that.
Sorry, Rishon, he sneak peeked me with the rocket.
Alright, we're defending now, so find your spot.
Probably want to go for it.
Get it.
Grenade from the top.
Yeah, do the same.
Aim to the right of that arch. To the archway in front. Like the barn door in the arch. You fire to the right of that above the bell.
Okay, got it.
Right, 10 seconds.
Should we live it? If we're ready.
Everyone ready?
If everyone is ready, we can live it, guys. Is anyone not ready?
If you're not ready, speak now.
Alright, I'm gonna live it then.
Stay frosty, guys.
Our positions are under attack!
Couple seconds.
Shooting up here. Oh, fuck.
I think you hit one of them, I heard an ah.
Nades. Play dark in the little valley place.
There, there.
Nade. Falling back.
The field goes down.
More nades.
Grenade. God damn it. Alright, he knows where I am and I'm stuck in here, so should I try and fall back?
Like, you can just watch the stairs or something. Like, just listen for footsteps.
Eight out.
So, person, cover and watch the door. I'm gonna move over and help. One in door.
Yep.
It's not, keep covering on your right. Good shit, Snarf.
More in that doorway.
I'm gonna move, push it.
One behind the half track.
Let him come to you. I'll pick him off, feature.
Cool. Very cool.
Last one's a rocket. And the other's an auto. He's above me, I can see his shadow. He's in broken.
Yep, one in broken house.
The second
You
floor.
can't get out of there because I'm watching the stairs.
Go away.
Rockets in middle in the
Thanks
back.
for the gun. I shot his gun, picked him up and killed him.
Last one's a rocket, right?
Yeah.
In middle. Nice.
Good job, guys.
Fucking nice.
Told you
Nice
that's
kill,
good
Smog.
stuff.
Nice kill. Nice one.
I shot the guy's gun out of his hand, picked him up and killed him with it.
Wow.
That was
Nice
pretty good
one.
small.
Should have nicked it when I killed him.
Alright guys, so we need this one now.
Yes,
So
we do.
we need to win. So if you have to use the 20 minutes, take
Wait
it nice and
for a
slow.
bit for pre-nade.
Don't we have to go
So we can
outside
crawl
spawn
around and use the shovel.
Tries to, but they don't know that.
Nah, let's follow
Yeah,
the
do
rules
that.
and go outside spawn, guys. Let's not stay in spawn.
Alright, then just go out to the in that corner.
Yeah.
This is my new tactic. See you on the end. Gotta build myself a tunnel.
Watch for the pre-nades.
Yeah. And they lost the guy, by the way.
That was just rage quitting. It was use time.
They lost.
Thanks. Game
They
time on
lost
this
the
one.
warrant officer.
You mean the use machine? Didn't the use man died on us the other week?
Yeah.
Yeah, thought so. There we go. Yeah, he didn't see it. He wasn't in any unit.
Two fairies perma-banned from our server.
Yeah.
He's perma-banned from the pub. Yeah.
Yeah, he is.
Can't stand that guy.
So where to stand small so that we don't get naded in the corner? Over
In the
there?
right corner.
Okay.
Right, honestly, I'll just skip round fields and clear the fields at the last, so you clear Main Street and then go fields.
Oh, you mean,
Where
Yeah.
we were.
yeah. Starting where you left me.
I think you're floating, Ucar.
YMCA. Alright, let's go.
Wir müssen das Gebiet wieder nehmen.
I have no
Yeah,
nading.
they're pre-nading. Be
Another
careful when you
one.
push up Main Street because they can shoot you from the main house, the broken house.
So everyone stay back unless you're sniper team.
Be careful when you're getting in a tank person because they can
It's disconnecting. Oh,
My bad.
lots of nades for you.
Take it nice and slow, guys. Call for help. I really don't want to lose.
Taking it now. Get a nade in there, alright?
Really?
It's my nade.
Okay.
Can't see anybody, bro.
Is there one in there, did you say?
No, I can't see anybody.
Peek the doorway. Don't see any. Might be tempted to make a run across. I think he's gonna, you know, there's double windows at the back near the broken. He's gonna be probably
Let's
there.
go ahead and move up a little bit.
Yeah, you put it on push up there. One behind half track. Nice shot.
Nice shot.
I'm peeking out from the
Well,
right.
don't move up too much, guys.
Can't see anything in the window.
Me neither.
So you want that corridor last small?
Yeah.
Okay.
Watch for the rush out, of course.
Yeah, sure.
Where was that?
Nice,
Nice, guys. Take it nice and slow. You're doing fine.
Just gonna peek. That's an auto down. Auto down. It's an assault down.
Nade from the
We
broken
only got 4 left, guys. We got 8, so...
What do you try pushing field now?
Yeah, I think there's a on the bottom floor in the broken house.
We'll come from behind broken house. Broken house clear. Kill one more in field. Check in the back house. Back house is clear. To the back of Main Street, so we need to push Main Street. As well as field. Do you want to peek from Main Street? I'll peek the sniper house mark. Someone needs to clear the broken house on the other side with double windows.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I just need a T-person to peek the street. Oh, there's one in that corner over here where Kraft was.
He's laying down.
Nice person.
This room's clear.
Sniper, I think all the way back.
Yeah, I think he's in the far back in the cuff.
I can smoke
Oh, you
it.
had the lead.
Got him. Sniper down.
Nice shot, Craft.
Very nice, guys. Alright, find your defensive spots.
Try and do it fast before the guy comes back. Mark, you remember that spot you're in, yeah?
Roger.
So count to 3 on the nade. So prime it to 3 seconds and throw it.
And I was, fuck, I don't even remember now.
You were on the potted plant on Main Street.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
back
let's
up
live
first.
it quickly, guys, before that guy comes back. So let me know when you guys are ready. And you're sure this is allowed, Small? He's joining the game
Potted
now.
plant? Potted plant, yeah, you're not floating.
Person call
Just
out
have a
if
look at
there's
your
anyone
chat.
that runs by you. So uncover you
Roger
and
that.
get back and displace.
Yeah, they got the last player now.
Yeah, you're fine there, Wilson, you're not floating.
Okay.
That's the first.
He doesn't even have the avatar.
Because he's not in a fucking unit, they're drafted in a fucking... No. Crouch when you do it, Snark, because they can see your head a bit there. I think everyone's ready, Wills.
Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Feind greift an! Stellung halten, Männer!
Alright, we need to win this one, guys. Let's beat those fuckers.
Here.
Hurrah.
We know
I think they're
everyone on
already in the
street
White
person
House.
on back of the nade.
Yep.
And whoever's behind that house by boundary, please be careful not to cross it.
It's
Yeah,
behind the
Ucar.
broken White House.
Ucar, he's in boundary, but he's close, so you just...
Okay, no, just I'm gonna call it out if I see him coming through. I'm watching that.
Watch above your head, because they can peek above.
I won't be moving much.
That's good.
Think they're gonna rush or something. Be careful.
They might push you.
One on top.
Good
one
shot.
broken white.
Our
Okay,
sniper's
Down,
down.
pick up a sniper.
Sniper's down.
Did you pick up the sniper person?
Oh, yeah, the guy,
Watch out.
I got the...
I'm gonna throw a grenade. Get it.
Don't
Where
try and
is he?
repeat. Don't try and repeat.
Can't see the sniper.
Let him come to us, person.
Yeah, let them come to us.
Person, move back to the back house. You see the back sniper house they're in? Go back to there. Crafton, you might need to cover that at the exit.
I
of
am.
the
I'm covering
archway.
that arch now. I switched. Grenade arches. There might be a
I
couple
think they're
arches.
gonna come this way.
Yep.
That was a
Sniper,
rocket.
got to move over and cover. So just listen out for footsteps. Wilson, if a couple of us die, look right, or your left. Sorry.
What? If
If
who?
a couple of us die, look left. They'll be
Yeah.
coming from archway.
Smoke where?
Huh?
If we
smoke.
die, look to your left.
One Main Street.
Moving back over to Snark.
If I go down, then they can see into the house.
They're on. They're on middle now.
I think they're gonna play both flanks. I'm staying here.
Who are they shooting at?
Christina person, C person, shooting at her house. Two of them. Pig. Coming behind you, Wilson.
No, they're not. We're watching. They can't.
God damn it, they have a 600 ping now.
Going down.
One went upstairs in the White House.
Nice person.
Nice, Missy.
Ucar, next person who does it, you shoot him in the back, alright?
Nade, nade.
Nice, Ucar. Fucking nice.
Nice. It's your
Ucar,
car.
try and run to me. Run, Ucar, run! Run! Don't get overexcited.
Yeah, don't get early. Yeah, keep it nice and cool, guys.
Still got a sniper left.
Just find a good spot, Ucar. Alright, first one would be go ahead and line up.
I'll move us back down there, Peth, and Ucar.
Oh, wrong wall. Whoops.
Good job, man.
I had to execute with a no
Over
scope.
here.
Dude, I hit him in the arm.
Guys,
Jeez,
guys, be quiet in Discord when we finish this off.
Alright, Wilson. Thank you for the
Wilson doesn't
match.
hit.
Appreciate
Yeah.
it.
Thanks
It
for
was
the
a good
match,
one.
Lieutenant Colonel.
Yeah, no problem, man. Our server will probably be up, so next time it won't be such a clusterfuck.
Yeah, we'll do the next map on your server, if that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Thank you guys all for being patient and waiting for my guys to show up. I'll get in contact with you, or one of my guys will get in contact with you for the next sequence.
Yeah, that's fine. First one would be go ahead and salute.
34th, go ahead and return salute.